As Mother's Day approaches, many of us look forward to celebrating with family and friends. But this year, in the West, temperatures are set to soar. A ridge of high pressure is building, bringing intense heat, and it's not just a little warm. We're talking about record-breaking highs. It's crucial to stay aware, stay safe, and make the most of this weather, even if it feels like a furnace outside. So how do we survive this extreme heat? Let's dive into some essential tips and tricks that will help you stay cool and healthy during these scorching days. First and foremost, hydration is key. When temperatures rise, your body loses water quickly through sweat, so drink plenty of water, even before you feel thirsty. Carry a reusable water bottle and keep sipping throughout the day. If you're spending time outdoors, opt for electrolyte drinks too. They can help replenish what you lose. Avoid caffeine and alcohol, as they can dehydrate you further. Remember, staying hydrated is not just a suggestion, it's a necessity. Your body will thank you for it, especially when the heat cranks up. Next, let's talk about clothing. What you wear can make a huge difference in how you feel. Choose light, loose-fitting clothes made from breathable fabrics like cotton. Light colors are best. They reflect sunlight instead of absorbing it. And don't forget your hat. A wide-brimmed hat can protect your face and neck from the sun's harsh rays. Sunglasses are also a must. They shield your eyes and enhance comfort. Your wardrobe can be your best defense against the heat. Dress smart and you'll feel cooler even on the hottest days. Lastly, stay informed about the signs of heat-related illnesses. Heat exhaustion can creep up on you. Watch for symptoms like heavy sweating, weakness, or dizziness. If you experience these, it's time to cool down. Move to an air-conditioned space, drink water, and rest. In more severe cases, look out for heat stroke. It can be life-threatening. Symptoms include confusion, a high body temperature, and rapid pulse. If you or someone else shows these signs, seek medical help immediately. Knowing these signs can save lives, so stay alert and prioritize your health. As we wrap up, remember that enjoying the sunshine can be delightful, but it comes with responsibilities. By staying hydrated, dressing appropriately, and being aware of the risks, you can make the most of the heat. Celebrate Mother's Day weekend with family, but do so safely. Take breaks in the shade and don't overexert yourself. Embrace the warmth, but respect it too. With these tips in mind, you can enjoy the sunshine while keeping your health in check. Stay safe, stay cool, and have a fantastic Mother's Day weekend.